Hey everyone, we're here at the Avenue Collection, building 1200.
Today, we're excited to introduce you to Residence 520. This is an ideal 2-bedroom butterfly floor plan with almost 1,300 square feet.
It's filled with custom upgrades, including LED lighting, clever built-ins, and gorgeous wood floors.
I'm Mark Foisey.
And I'm Nelson Chen. We can't wait for you to come check this one out. And until then, take a look around.